Alright, working on Cadillac.
Went to the old pick and pull today with Pearson BA350. Picked up some extra parts for once. So that's what we got going on back here. This is the rear trunk latch pull down mechanism. If anybody ever remembers, mine is busted. This whole thing just kind of hangs off, doesn't even mount anymore. You see I got some metal to straighten out right there, no big deal. So I did pick up a new one. So you can see that one's all cracked open, broken. This one is clean, ready to go. I'm sure this one doesn't pull down the trunk anymore because it's already been taken apart, so I'm guessing that doesn't work anymore. But I'm probably going to swap over the switch anyways, and who knows, maybe it'll work. We'll see. But my biggest thing is just being able to latch the trunk again. So, we'll give this a shot. Alright. New latch is in. None of the trunk release and stuff work, or the pull down, but at least I got a trunk that... Oh, oops, that's not good for it. I was messing around with it earlier. Forgot to release the lock. Do it. Nope. There it goes. So, there. Trunk locks now. I can see my beautiful body lines. Look like poop. So that's okay, because the rest of the car looks like poop. Cool. Yeah, the button in the glove compartment don't work or nothing, so it's all key. Just fine with me for now, until I want to diagnose all that stuff. Cool. Next. And the next order of business, I've got another one of these blower motor resistor control module deals, so I have no idea if this one works. But since new ones cost over $100, sometimes 150 brand new or used, it's worth a shot. So let's see what happens. Alright, this is my newer one. This is the old one. Looks like they got some slight differences to them and the electronics there, so the newer one actually came off I think it was an 86 Deville, so hopefully they used a little better electronics in it or something, but let's see what happens. Alright, let's see if the blower works. Power on. I don't think so. Nope, no blower. Crap. So that wasn't the problem. Son of a bitch. So my button's working. Is it this? Oh! Got a blower. It's working. It's working on defrost. It's not really defrosting. Blowing out the low heater. Low fan's working. Noisy. Yeah, it's working. Heater's working at least. It's not going to defrost, it's just staying down low. Oh, just another problem. Yeah, at least my fan's working now. Alright. Give you a cold start while I got her out. That sound. Alright, so I've been letting this thing run for a while, and magically everything started working. So we're blowing out the regular vents right now. Defrost. Goes right to the windshield. Nothing out the front. Getting a little of the heat at the bottom, so she's working like she should now. Oh, there we go. Rear defroster should be working, so I'm satisfied. I'm trying to figure out why that stopped working. Here's a little blast from the past. Cisco, Unleash the Dragon. The Thong Song. How many people remember that? Pretty good stuff. Just playing a go to the next song here. Yeah, I was in high school when this album came out. That was funny. Alright, moving on.